Today we're going to dive into a topic that has helped me become the best version of myself. I always strive to optimize myself, and even though I'm not an athlete, I see myself as one in terms of maintaining peak performance in different areas of my life. Today I'm going to share with you 5 key areas that you can optimize to improve your life, your income, your impact, and overall inspiration. These areas include your morning routine, fitness training, nutrition, mindset, and let's get in that bag, that fucking money. If you guys new to my channel, welcome to Wealth and Fitness Lifestyle, where we talk about fitness, finance, self-improvement, everything and anything to overall improve your lifestyle. I am the author of Wealth and Fitness, The Keys to Self-Improvement, where I break down my fitness and finance journey and how that's helped inspire me become the best version of myself, reach my financial potential. And I'm going to share with you those five key areas of how that impacted my life, that it can help you improve your overall lifestyle. So the first thing we want to talk about is your morning routine. You want to start your day with purpose and structure. You want to avoid hitting the snooze button. You want to hydrate your body with water. Engage in a morning routine that includes gratitude, positive music, and send a message of gratitude to people you've influenced. Gratitude is important because you want to thank people for and show love and support to others around you. And that energy, creating that positive force field energy with positive thinking into your mindset. So your morning routine is going to be important. One thing that I'm starting to do now is wake up 4:30 and meditate, and then right after meditation, 4:30 to 5 o'clock, go to the gym, come back, get ready, start my day, get kids ready, go to work. You want to implement those strategies, but how you start your morning is going to be key and essential to how you start your day and how you do anything. If your morning routine is already starting off fucked up, then you know what, your day is going to be thrown off out of whack. Start your morning off with a nice meditation, do some breathing exercises, drink some water, hit the fucking gym, get the gym out the way. Which brings me to the second part, is your fitness training. It's important that you prioritize your physical health by making your own workouts a non-negotiable part of your day. Let's say you only work out in the evening. It really should be your second workout, not an excuse to skip. Consistency, focus, and discipline in your workouts can lead to increased confidence and delayed gratification. I'm going to tell you, which I wrote in my book, Wealth and Fitness Keys to Self-Improvement. One of my mottos is consistency plus discipline equals results, okay? And start your morning with your workout so you can get it out the way, because what's going to happen is that as you go through the day, and you get caught up with the day, get caught up with kids, work, life, all of a sudden now it's 6 p.m. and you're like, you know what, I'm too tired, I'm mentally done to even do a workout, and then you just missed another day of exercise. That's why it's key and important to have that fitness training also a part of your morning routine, and you should do a second workout in the evening. The third thing we want to talk about and discuss is nutrition. It's important to treat your body like a high performance vehicle by optimizing your nutrition. Understanding your macros, your protein, carbohydrates, your fat has been helpful for me in terms of weight loss and making sure that you hydrate adequately. Some key things you want to avoid: sugary foods, high processed foods that are high that would inflame you, dairy. And I have a lot of videos about diet and nutrition, and really kind of incorporating more of a plant-based diet. Get your proteins, yes, but really maximize eating fruits and vegetables, how it's key and important for your overall nutrition, because a lot of people are dying or getting sick from diet relatable diseases like high blood pressure, diabetes, hypertension, you name it. A lot of that a direct impact on what you put in your body. And so it's going to be important as you develop and as you improve yourself to incorporate the foods that's necessary, that's going to give you the energy and the drive to go on and continue on to optimize your peak performance. Number 4 is your mindset. I have a chapter in my book called Change Your Mindset, Change the Game. And you want to cultivate a positive mental attitude. Your thoughts become actions, and if you have negative thoughts and you have a negative mindset, that is going to ultimately impact your life. So you want to eliminate all negativity. You want to eliminate negative influences, whether they come from people, media, past traumas, whatever. One of the things that I'm doing now is to address some of my past traumas and improve my mindset is doing therapy. I would encourage you, anything that's positive that's going to ultimately impact your life and put you on a positive trajectory will be key and essential to having that mindset shift. And I have a whole chapter in my book that talks about what that mindset shift is that, if you want to live a life of true success, you got to change your mindset, which will ultimately change your game. And overcoming limited beliefs and achieving your goals. I never thought I would be an author. I never thought I could lose 60 pounds. I never thought I can, do the things that I've done over the last 3 years. That's propelled me into a great position. But I didn't give up. I stayed committed. I stayed focused to the mission and the vision. And that's how I became successful. And last thing I want to talk about was your finances and money. You got to learn how money works. One of the things that I encountered was, thought I knew how money works, and I didn't realize that it was so much more for me to learn, right? One of the key components in learning how money works is learning how to solve problems for others and create and understanding what problems that you can solve, and by solving those problems, how can you create multiple streams of income by solving other people's problems. Going back to that mindset shift, think of yourself as a problem solver who provides value in exchange for money. That was the one thing that I did not understand and learn, my early college years, is that in order to become financially free, successful, you have to become a problem solver and understand the importance of scaling your income once you know how to solve problems through systems and through teams. Building team of professionals around you that are smarter than you, that through the value in exchange for money by solving their problems, you now can become successful. So by optimizing these 5 areas, you could become the best version of yourself and achieve success in various aspects of your life. Remember, and this is something that, part of my motto is get fit, gain wealth, and improve your lifestyle. And improving your lifestyle, becoming successful, is only the responsibility of yourself. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. What are some of the things you're working on to become the best version of yourself? Let's get fit, let's gain wealth, let's improve our lifestyle.